There's a lot of evidence proving the splitting of the Red Sea. In the Quran, chapter 20, verse 77 to 78, says that the Pharaoh chased Moses through the sea when it was divided, but once Moses crossed the sea merged back, crushing and killing the Pharaoh and his army. Today, remains of chariots and wheels are found on the bottom of the Red Sea with Egyptian hieroglyphics on them. This is proof that the Pharaoh's army was submerged in the middle of the Red Sea. Scientists have also found an underwater land bridge connecting Egypt and Saudi Arabia on the Red Sea. The Egyptian chariots were found on that land bridge. This land bridge further proves how the splitting of the sea was possible. During low tides, the sea levels reduce, which made the land bridge visible, thus helping Moses cross it before the tides rise. According to the French doctor Maurice Bucaille, the mummy of Ramses II showed signs that the pharaoh had died by drowning in water. The mummy often developed fungus and had a fair complexion of curly red hair. In the Bible, Exodus chapter 13, verse 21, it says that God guided Moses and his people at night through a pillar of fire from the sky, and the people followed it. There's a lot of melted sand found in the shoreline of the Red Sea, which would require more than 3,000 degrees Celsius to burn. There are also footprints on the melted sand which have been there for thousands of years. A lot of miracles of Moses can be explained scientifically. For example, in Quran chapter 7 verse 133 talks about turning the Nile River red, which could be the red tide phenomena, where the presence of large amount of burgundy blood algae in the river, which causes the river to look red and can kill the sea animals living in it due to lower amount of oxygen, which causes the frogs to leave the river and enter the land. Since there was no food for the frogs, it led to the death of a lot of frogs, which lead to the plague of lice and flies, which in turn caused the livestock to get infested. Thus, the people eating those livestock got boils. All this evidence shows that the splitting of the Red Sea was true.